I just wanted to show you this skillet that I picked up this weekend at a yard sale. Hey, wait a minute. That ain't it. Hang on. Come on, guys. Give me the right skillet. Come on. That's not the right one. No, let me zoom out here a little bit. There we go. That's the skillet. That thing is a number 14 BSR. Just to give you a little size reference. Holy cow. Look at that thing. I've got it stripped and cleaned. I'm ready to start seasoning it now. So it's going to be going through the oven at 3 different cycles, stepping it up to 500 degrees each time for 1 hour each time. So this thing was so big it wouldn't even fit in my sink. I got a small sink in this small house. All right, just thought I'd show you the skillet.